both some see approach as well as that one. See, whenever they say something is approaching and comes to rest, that means kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. So I can say kinetic energy of alpha is potential energy of alpha when it comes to rest, alpha particle. Now kinetic energy is half mv square and potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into charge at the atom, that is Ze, at the nucleus Ze, and alpha particle which is removed from that, it has got charge twice of proton upon radius r, or we can say distance r. Therefore r, everything is constant, or we can say m is proportional to 1 upon r, r proportional to 1 upon m. R proportional 1 upon m, this is the required answer. Same way you tried?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the next sum. Half-life of radioactive substance is 30 minutes. The time in minute taken between 40% decay and 85% decay of the same radioactive substance is. This you tried, Ayush?
Yes, sir. 60.
Okay. You couldn't get this one?
60 minutes.
No. I'm asking. Aryan, you didn't got this answer?
No, sir, I didn't get it.
अच्छा, करता हूँ solve. Half life is 30 minutes. Time in minute taken between 40% decay and 80% decay of the substance. What is meaning of 40% decay?
60% is left.
Yeah, 40% decay means 60% left. So we can say n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. N is 60% left. Time t1 we can take. This will get cancelled. So we can write this as 220 into 3, 20 into 5, 50 equals to e raised to minus lambda t1. Let this be equation. Or you can write 5 by 3 equals to e raised to lambda t1. Because this will become power negative, both side negative we can cancel. So log of 5 by 3 to the base e equals to lambda t1. Let this be equation 1. Second one, how many percent decay? 80%.
85.
85 डीके तो 15% बच गया ऐसा वाला. 85% डीके, 15% left. %% is left. So 15 upon 100 of original is n0 e raised to minus lambda t2. You want between these two, मतलब I want actually t1 minus t2 का time. In fact t2 minus t1. Time for 40 to 80 we want. 5 into 3, 5 into 20. So we can say log of 20 upon 3. First only 20 upon 3 equals to e raised to lambda t2. Therefore log of 20 upon 3 to the base e equals to lambda t2. Copy the two equations. Therefore log of 20 by 3 minus log of 5 by 3 equals to lambda t2 minus t1. We are interested in this time t2 minus t1. So log of 20 by 3 upon log of 5 by 3 to the base e equals to, this is log of 2 to the base e upon capital T into time t, which we have to calculate. This 3 will get cancelled. You will get log of 4 to the base e is log of 2 to the base e upon t into capital into small t. So 2 times log of 2 to the base e is log of 2 to the base e upon capital T into t. This will get cancelled. So time is 2 into t and t is given 30 minutes. Therefore it is 60. Now follow?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to homework sum. Any doubt is there in electrons photon homework sum? In homework problem of electron photon, any sum which you feel you don't know?
71.
Okay. 71. The number of photon emitted by sun per second. No?
Yes, sir.
That is incomplete sum. Energy is not given. Hello? That is incomplete actually.
Okay, sir.
Which other? Is 75 got? 75? Ananya? Sum number 75? Yeah, Ayush, sum number 75.
No, sir.
अच्छा, करता हूँ फिर. 75 photoelectric effect. A photo cell is illuminated by small bright source placed 1 meter away. When the same source of light is placed half meter away, the number of electrons emitted by cathode would, number of electrons. What is meaning of number of electrons? Can I say it is intensity? Hello? Number
Yes,
of
sir.
electron means nothing but intensity. So they want intensity will become how much? For point source, what is relation of intensity and distance? Inversely proportional to square of distance. So it is d2 upon d1 square. I1 upon I2 is half 1 square. So intensity will become 4 times original. So it will increase by factor 4, right? If it is given point source, then d square, linear source, then only d. So bright source, small source is point source. Now, will there be any change in stopping potential?
No, sir.
No, because it depends upon
Frequency.
frequency. Yeah. Then 74th you all got?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 74?
A.
Okay. All of you got same A?
Yes, sir.
If two different answer is coming, then I will solve. If same answer you are getting, then I will move ahead. A, na? A you are getting?
Yes, sir.
73?
C.
73. All of you got C?
Yes, sir. 3 times.
Okay. Yes, anybody who is not getting, please tell, then I will solve. If you all got same answer, then no need to again waste time. I think everybody is not solved also. 72, what the answer?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, this I am doing. Two identical photoelectrons. Are you sure what answer? 72? Any answer?
No, sir.
अच्छा ठीक मुझे लगा आ जाएगा. Two identical photocathode receives light of frequency. So first one is receiving light of frequency f1, second one is f2. Two identical photocathode, that means work functions are same. Work function of first and second is same because it is identical. If the velocities of emitted photoelectrons are v1 and v2, then we want answer in terms of velocity and frequency. Very good sum. What is Ke max formula? Is it h nu minus work function? So half m v square is h nu minus work function. So half m v1 square will be equals to h f1 minus work function. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And half m v2 square h f2 minus work function. We want to eliminate work function. So I'm subtracting. So it will become half m v1 square minus v2 square h f1 minus f2. This will get cancelled. So v1 square minus v2 square is 2h upon m into f1 minus f2. Option A. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Important sum. Means difficult होगा तो ऐसा सब आएगा. हेलो. हाँ समझे. हाँ वो जाते जाते आपका हो जाएगा. कौन सा? नहीं तो रिटर्न आओगे ना आप. तो रिटर्न आते से तो आप और राइट साइड पे ही है, लेफ्ट साइड पे. अरे यार क्या बोलो आपको. एकदम सिंपल है. जॉय होम किसको ही बोला ना, कमल विहार के पीछे होटल कमल विहार है ना, फेयर ट्रेडिंग वाला ना, फेयर ट्रेडिंग, बस उसके सामने वाला. वो स्टूडेंट ने मेरे को अभी भेजा, इसलिए मैं आपको अभी भेजा. यस डन.
Done, sir.
Now you got the logic. Since we didn't wanted work function, I subtracted. If I want work function, then I will divide. And 71, as I said, it is incomplete. 70 all got? 71, 70. 70
Yes.
wala. What is the answer?
10 raised to 18.
10 raised to 18. Others also got same, 10 raised to 18.
Yes, sir.
69. This also good sum. 69. What the answer?
Yes, sir.
What you got answer? 69. Yeah, Shlesha, what is the answer of 69?
A.
A. Others also got same.
No, sir, I didn't get.
Chalo, I'm trying them. I'm doing them. Kinetic energy is very good sum. Kinetic energy of photoelectron is E when the incident is lambda by 2. Then kinetic energy is 2E when incident wavelength is lambda by 3. What is kinetic energy maximum formula? Kinetic energy maximum formula, h nu minus work function, which is hc by lambda minus work function. This they are telling denoted as E. So when wavelength is lambda by 2, then it is E. So E equals to hc lambda by 2 minus work function. 2hc by lambda minus work function is E. Let this be equation 1. Then it is 2E when lambda is lambda by 3. Work function is same for same material. What is work function means we want W0. So anyhow this hc by lambda I have to eliminate, na? So from 1, wherever I see 3 hc by lambda can I write there 2e plus work function? Can I write from here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Minus work function. So 2e equals to 6e plus 3 times work function minus work function. That will become, anything wrong went? 2 hc by lambda. Oh, I made some mistake. E plus W0 upon 2 iron. See, this will be E plus W0 is twice hc by lambda. So from here hc by lambda will be E upon W0 by 2. E upon W0 by 2. So we get 2E equals to 3E plus 3W0 minus 2W0 upon 2, which is 4E equals to 3E plus W0. E equal to W0. So work function is E. अभी देखो इसमें क्या मिस्टेक हो गया, आंसर दे वांट इन hc by lambda, एकदम सिंपल सम था. चलो एक लाइन और करता हूँ. अगेन आई एम डूइंग, आई थॉट दे वांट इन टर्म्स ऑफ E. One second. So sometimes if it given in E, then also you can do na this way.
Yes, sir.
Now this is very simple because answer we want in hc by lambda, E we have to eliminate. So it was just dividing equation 1 by 2. Here only I am writing, or divide 1 by 2. So E upon 2E equals to 2 hc by lambda minus work function upon 3 hc by lambda minus work function. E will get cancelled. So 3 hc by lambda minus work function equals to 2 into 2, 4 hc by lambda minus 2 work function. So hc by lambda is the answer when you bring it on one side. 4 hc by lambda minus 3 hc by lambda will be 1 hc by lambda, and 2 w0 minus w0 is 1 w0. Correct? Final answer, work function is after this 68 you all got?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 68?
A.
68A. All of you got same 68A?
Yes, sir.
68A. 67. This you might not have got, I think. Or you got this also?
Sir, A, right?
अभी क्या है देखो, जे थॉमसन एक्सपेरिमेंट ना 3 काम के लिए यूज होता है. To determine E by M, that is specific charge ratio, to get velocity of moving electron and to get its radius. So cathode rays are stream of negatively charged ions. Experiment demonstrate that cathode rays are negatively charged ion. All the mass of atom is essentially in the nucleus. No. The E by M of electron is much greater than E by M of proton. E by M ratio of cathode ray particle changes when different gas is placed in the discharge tube. No. It demonstrates that they are beam of negatively charged electron. A option. A. 66.
Yes, sir. A.
Sir, B.
B आया, check करता हूँ फिर. If two students got two different answers, then we need to check. An electron and proton enter magnetic field perpendicular, then what is trajectory relation? E V B is M V square pi R, 1 we cancel. Q R B is M into V. Charge of electron upon charge of proton. Radius of electron upon proton V, we will get cancelled. They have what is same kinetic energy. Okay. Same kinetic energy means this I can write M root of twice kinetic energy upon M. M will go inside, will become M square twice of kinetic energy upon M in root. 1 and cancel. So root of mass of electron upon proton, charge is same. So radius of electron upon proton is less than 1. That means radius of electron is less than radius of proton. Same sum I think we did. So if radius is less, then curve is more. So trajectory of proton is less, curve B is correct. This is more curve, this is less. B is correct. Radius smaller, more curve. So electron is more curved, that means proton is less curved, so option B. See, everybody might have done correct, interpretation might have gone wrong. What about 65?
Sir, C.
65 C. Again, all of you got same answer, C? See, if you don't got answer, then also say. And if you got something other than that, then also you can say. Everybody got C?
Yes, sir.
65 C. $64. Ankita and I think Rahul, you all have not solved this sum. If momentum of electron is changed by Pm, then de Broglie's wavelength associated with it changes by 0.5%. Then initial momentum of electron will be how much? This anybody has tried? Yes, Ayush, what is the answer you got?
So 200 P.
200 Pm. Okay. Changed by Pm. If the momentum of electron is changed by Pm, that means new momentum is original momentum plus Pm. Then de Broglie's wavelength associated with it changes by 0.5%. changes by 0.5%. So lambda 1 is 0.5% of original. That means it is 100.5 upon 100 into lambda 1. Then initial momentum of electron will be lambda is h upon p. Therefore lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is p2 by p1. Lambda 1 upon 100.5 upon 100 lambda 1 equals to p2, p plus pm, and p1 is p. This gets cancelled. So 100 upon 100.5 is p plus pm. This can be written as 1000 upon 1005 is p plus pm. So this will be upon p upon p. We can cancel by 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 0, 1. 5 2s are 10, 200. So 200p is 2p 1p plus 201 pm. The momentum decrease होगा, तो minus है ना. Changes by means it can be increased, it can be decreased. So because it is inversely proportional, therefore they should be actually decreased. So minus 99.5. 99.5. This will be 99.5. 99.5. So 100p equals to 99.5p plus 99.5 pm. So 100 minus this is 0.5 pm equals to 99.5 p. So 0.5 pm upon 99.5 equals to p. So this will become 5 upon 995 pm equal to p. So 5 upon 5 into 1 5, remainder 4. 5 9s are 45, remainder 4 9. ऐसा कुछ ऑप्शन दिख नहीं रहा है. Somewhere I went wrong. Again I'm trying. You got 200 pm.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, दूसरा भी चेंज ही दिया है ना, बराबर. See, दूसरा भी चेंज ही दिया है, तो we could have taken that is decreased by. So 200 will get. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, they have not given increased decrease, they have given changed by. So because we are getting negative answer and that answer is not matching, so I can say 64, which I got at the start negative 200. If the momentum is changed by pm, so change in momentum is given pm, difference is pm, then de Broglie's wavelength changes by 0.5%. Now we'll get it. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is p2 by p1. Therefore lambda 1 minus lambda 2. This much clear? Hello, this much clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now they have given change. Change means difference. So I can keep the original one and then take difference. Changes by 0.5% of original so that it will get cancelled. So if you take inverted endo, this is lambda 2, or you can put here no harm at all. Lambda 1, if this you take decreased by this much. So lambda 1 minus of 1 upon 200 into lambda 1. And P2 is P2 minus P1 upon P1. That will become changed by PM. So P2 is P plus PM minus P upon original P. This will get cancelled. PM upon P, and this if you see it will become 200 minus changed by this much percent. So lambda 1 minus lambda 2 upon lambda 2. So this is nothing but changed by. This whole thing is nothing but changed by. 0.5% is 1 upon 200 equals to PM by P. Therefore, PM equals to P by 200 it is coming. P by 200 I'm getting. Wait a second. 64. वापस कर रहा हूँ फिर से. Momentum is changed by PM. So P2 is original momentum minus PM. Then wavelength lambda 2 is changed by 0.5. So it will increase by 0.5. That is 100.5 upon 100 of original. Now lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is P2 upon P1. So lambda 1 upon 10.5 upon 100 of lambda 1 equals to P minus PM upon P. That is 1000 upon 105. 1005 is P minus PM upon P, the way I did earlier. So this will become 200 upon 2 into 1. 5 into 2 is 10, 0, 1. So 200p equals to 201p minus 201 pm. So that will become minus of 1p equals to minus 201 pm. Therefore p is okay, बराबर है 201 time pm, 200 pm बराबर है 200 pm b. $63 all got 63.
No, sir.
63 मिला? नहीं
No,
वो
sir.
नहीं मिलेगा, इनकम्प्लीट है. नहीं आगे से value of E is given for a particle. No, 63 is incomplete. Simple sum but incomplete data is missing. Value of E is, that is also missing. E किसका value दिया है नहीं इसमें. For a particle of mass m in one dimensional box of length L, de Broglie's wavelength concept would lead to a stationary wave with nodes at the two ends. The energy values allowed for such a system with n as integer will be. This one got? थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है सामने 61 61 for a particle of mass m enclosed in one-dimensional box of length L. One-dimensional box of length L. The de Broglie's wavelength concept would lead to stationary wave with nodes at the two end. Node at the two end. Mass m is enclosed in one-dimension box whose length is L. The de Broglie's wavelength. So there will be one wave traveling like this. How many nodes they have given? The nodes with nodes at the two end. If these are nodes, so this will be anti-node, this will be node. Aisa hai? With node at two end, this is straight box suppose of length L. So this will be stationary wave with nodes at the end. What is distance between this node? Lambda by 2. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So such a system will be the energy values allowed for such system will be angular momentum L is nh upon 2 pi. Angular momentum is nh upon 2 pi. This we will write as p. nh upon 2 pi. Length is given L. एक मिनट है, ये थोड़ा अच्छे से समझ के करता हूँ, हल करेंगे इसको, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट समय आगे का देख लेते हैं फटाफट. Then 60 you got 60. Hello, 60 you all got?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
D.
60 for D. 59. 59 is simple. What is the answer? Electron and alpha particle which are accelerated from rest. You got the answer or shall I do?
I didn't get it.
Okay. 61 वाला मैं कल करता हूँ, अच्छे से सोच के चला. The ratio of momentum of an electron and alpha particle when accelerated through potential difference of 100 volt. So kinetic energy of accelerated particle is QV. This means half mv square equals to, we want ratio of momentum. So you can also write this is nothing but p square. Kinetic energy, can I say p square upon 2 into mass?
Yes, sir.
So p square upon 2m equals to qv. Therefore p1 square upon p2 square equals to, I'm cross multiplying. First charge is which charge? Proton or alpha? First is electron. So p square will become 2mqv. So mass of electron, charge of electron, potential दोनों का same, 100 will get cancelled. This is mass of alpha, charge of alpha. So P1 upon P2 is root of mass of electron upon mass of alpha. Charge of alpha is 2 times charge of proton. Electron is same as proton. Ye cancel. So just check, do we have this? 2 times in denominator? Yes. Option D. Got it?
Yes, sir.
D is the answer. It is also good sum. In this chapter, such type of sums will come.
Done, sir.
Then what about 58?
A.
58 option A, what? 58.
Yes, sir.
57.
D.
57. D. D or B for Bombay?
D for Delhi.
D for Delhi. 56.
B.
D for Delhi. 55.
B.
55. D.
B. B. Half.
Ah. D. 54.
C.
53.
C.
52.
D.
51.
D.
That consists of one. So all we have done except that one which I have to explain you by theory of de Broglie's wavelength is nothing but integral multiple of wavelength. So because theory is pending, so I didn't explain to it. So we have completed this chapter completely. Now tomorrow I will start with semiconductor theory. If you have any doubt, you can ask atoms, molecule, nuclei, electrons, photon. Monday test will be on electrons, photon, and current. Is that okay? Tomorrow same time,
Yes, sir.
12:30 same time tomorrow we'll meet. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.